Oops. Hi everyone, this is Rosalind from Top 5 Eateries. I'm going to make you the most outrageous, craziest, delicious, addicting popcorn you've ever seen, and it's gonna be super simple. And here's how. So what do we need except for the air popper? We need corn, obviously, corn kernels, the ingredients that make this popcorn so addicting. It's nutritional yeast. I could just eat this whole thing. Anyway, a little tiny bit of granulated garlic. Today we have actually truffled salt. You can also just use regular sea salt. To make all of this stick together, we need fat. And what I use is extra virgin olive oil, and then the creme de la creme, truffled olive oil. It's actually real truffles in this one. Okay, let's get popping. A full scoop of corn. We'll dump that in there. I'm gonna use another half. The lid on. We press the start button. Maybe another pinch of salt. Look at that beautiful coated popcorn. It's just like oozes with flavor. And then, I don't know what it is, if it's the nutritional yeast. When you have a bite of it, it just like explodes this like liquid of flavors in your mouth. It's really, I just gotta have one because my mouth is watering now.